Hi there, my name is Stacy Jensen and thank you so much for visiting. This is a part 2 of installing Actions on a Mac. You may not need to watch step 1, which was for those Mac users who cannot see their library folder to install the actions. But if your library folder is accessible, you are ready for this portion. So what you need to do is open up your Finder. In your Finder, if you had to do step 1, you will need to do this portion. Go up to the top of the Finder, click on Preference, click on General, and make sure that your new Finder window shows and select your Macintosh. Once you've done that, you need to click on Advanced and check mark Show All File Name Extensions. Once you're done with that, you can click the X button, go up to File, and New Finder Window. You will need to do the New Finder Window to make those steps work. When you do that, it will open up a new Finder, and you will be able to access the library folder. Again, if you did not need to watch step 1, then you're already here. You'll just simply open up the Finder. You're going to click on your Macintosh. You're going to click on Library. Once you click on Library, you will click on Application Support. Under Application Support is Adobe. You probably will have a lot of folders under Adobe if you're much like me. Generally, photographers will have multiple items, Adobe items. So you'll have to scroll down to Photoshop Elements. When you click on Photoshop Elements, it is going to give you multiple folders if you own multiple versions of Elements. So I have 2. If you have 2, select the one you want to install it in. We're going to install it in 10. You do not need to do this step for Elements 12. Elements 12 actions are installed differently. We're going to show this for 10, Elements 10. It can be used for 9, 8, and so forth. Once you click on 10, you will first get rid of the thumbnail database. And what we did is it was originally just named thumbnail database.db3. This DB3 is the reason why I had you select at the beginning under Preferences to see your file extensions. When you open this up and it says thumbnail database.db3, you can either delete this file or add a number in front of it. And basically what that will do is make the file null and void. When we open up Elements again, it will recreate this thumbnail database and drop it in as the original name, thumbnail database.db3. So it's a recreation of the file. The next thing you're going to do is click on Locale, en_us, and the same will be true for a file called mediadatabase.db3. I have already renamed it, but you will open it up and it will say mediadatabase.db3. Again, you're going to click on it and then either put a number letter in front of it or simply delete it. This file 2 will be replaced once you open up Elements. And I should note that Elements must be closed while you are doing these steps. Once you're finished with that, the next thing you need to do is come back under the Elements 10 version or 9, whichever version you have, and click on Photo Creations. Once you click on Photo Creations, you will find the folder called Photo Effects. This is where actions are held. You should not place any files other than ATN files, PNG files, or XML files, sorry about that. If you add any other files to this, you will cause issues with running actions and even in your actions palette. So please make sure that you're only installing the files necessary for the action to run. Once you're done with that, you will go ahead and open up your Elements program. When you open it up, it's going to take a little bit of time the first time because it's recreating all of those files that you just installed. As well as rebuilding the database that you deleted or renamed. So the actions and the database files. So hopefully this helped you. Thank you so much for watching.